Hello students, let's learn a few more questions about congruency. The last two classes we learned about the different conditions of congruency. We also solved few questions. Today's class, let's take few more questions. So we will start with the first question. It's given in the adjoining figure BC is equals to AD and angle CAB. This angle is equals to angle ABD. Okay, ABD and angle ACB, I'm using two strokes to define a different angle that is equals to angle BDA. Now we need to prove the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. So we will write to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Okay, so the first statement we're going to write here already given in both the triangles. Side AD of triangle ABD is equal to side BC of triangle ABC. What's the reason? It is given in the question. Number two, if you see in the triangle triangle ADB is equal to triangle ACB of the triangle ABC. That point is also given. The third point we have in the triangle. Now look in the triangle ADV, the angle DBA is equals to what? That is equal to the angle CAB of the triangle ABC. That reason that is also given. Let's verify one more time. AD equals to BC, AD equals to BC, ADB, this angle is equals to ACB, correct? Next angle DBA, which is equals to angle CAB. Now we got 3 points. Now we can say the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Now which axiom? That is the point. So we have one angle, let me use this color, one angle equal to another angle. We have another angle equal to another angle. But if you notice, the side that is equal, that is not the included side. The included side would have been this side for these two triangles. So this cannot be ASA. So this will be what? This will be angle, side, axiom. Done? Easy. Let's take another question. In this question given, the adjoining figure ABC is a triangle in which AB, where is AB? This side AB is equals to AC. Okay, and BL is perpendicular to AC and CM is perpendicular to AB. We need to prove that BL is equals to CM. Go with the triangle BLC and triangle CMB. Okay, now see in these two triangles we have lot more common. So first thing what we can write in these two triangles, I can write in the BLC, angle BLC is equals to what? Angle CMB. Why? The reason is both are 90 degrees right angle triangles. Next point, in both the triangles we have the side BC equals to BC. What is the reason? Both side is common. Now another point, see in the question given AB is equals to AC. That means what? If in a triangle there are two equal sides, it's an isosceles triangle, and we already know that the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. That means what? In this triangle, this angle B, this angle C are equal. So I can write MBC will be equal to what? LCB. The reason we have already shown it over here, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now from here what can we prove? We can prove that triangle BLC is congruent to triangle CMD by which axiom? And let's find out. So we have one angle over here, another angle and side. But see the side is not the included side. Again this will be angle, side axiom. Now BL and CM are the parts of these two triangles. So what can we write? We can write BL equals to CM by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So this is how we can easily prove this question. Let's try another question. So in this question we have to find the values of x and y. Okay, Very easy. First thing what we're going to do, we will try to prove the triangle A B, C and triangle A, D, C are congruent. See, it's already given. Side AB is equals to AD. What is the reason? It is already given. We can also see side BC is equals to side CD. That is also given. And see the side AC is equals to AC, which is a common side for both the triangles. That means what can I write? I can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Which axiom? This is as side, side and side. Now, if these two triangles are congruent, then what can I write? I can write angle ABC will be equal to what? Angle ADC. Reason CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now, angle ABC is given as 2x minus 5 and ADC is 103. So 2x will be equal to what? 108 degrees. So x will be what? X will be 54 degrees. So we got the values of x. Now see in the triangle ADC, it's given 34 degrees, another angle is 103 degrees. So what will be the value of the angle ACD? Can easily find if I equate to 180 degree. So angle ACD will be 180 minus 103 degrees minus 34 degrees. So after we solve it, what will be the value? It will be simply 43 degrees. Now see, this value of the triangle we got as 43 degrees. Now that angle is equal to what? That angle, that is ACB, is equals to angle ACD, again CPCT. Now angle ACB is how much? We got it's 7y plus 1, and the value of ACD we got as 43 degrees. So what we can write from here? So 7y will be equal to what? 43 degrees minus 1, which will be 42 degrees. So what will be the value of y? Y will be 6 degrees. So we got the value of x as 54 degrees, y as 6 degrees. Very easy and simple questions. So I hope all of you understood these three questions that we did today. If you have any doubts regarding any of the questions, you can ask me in the comments. I'll see you students in the next class.